Welcome to Edinburgh, the captivating capital of Scotland, where centuries of history blend seamlessly with vibrant modern culture. This city is a treasure trove for travelers, offering something for everyone, from awe-inspiring landmarks to hidden gems that reveal the soul of Scotland. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie, Edinburgh is a destination that will leave you spellbound. Ready to plan your trip? Here are the best 8 things to do and visit in Edinburgh, guaranteed to make your journey unforgettable. 1. Perched on Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle dominates the city skyline and serves as a symbol of Scotland's rich history. Step inside this fortress to uncover tales of kings and queens, ancient battles, and priceless treasures like the Scottish crown jewels. Wander through the Great Hall, explore the National War Museum, and marvel at the Stone of Destiny. The castle's strategic location also offers panoramic views of Edinburgh, making it a perfect spot for photographs. Don't miss the daily firing of the 1 o'clock gun, a tradition dating back to 1861. 2. The Royal Mile is the heartbeat of Edinburgh's Old Town. This historic street stretches from Edinburgh Castle to the Palace of Holyroodhouse and is lined with quaint shops, cozy pubs, and iconic landmarks. Discover hidden courtyards, visit St. Giles Cathedral, and take a guided tour of Mary King's Close for a glimpse into Edinburgh's medieval past. With street performers, bagpipers, and local artisans, the Royal Mile is a vibrant hub that captures the spirit of Scotland. 3. For breathtaking views and an invigorating outdoor experience, a hike up Arthur's Seat is a must. This ancient volcanic peak is located in Holyrood Park, just a short walk from the city center. The ascent takes about an hour and rewards hikers with a sweeping panorama of Edinburgh and beyond. It's a serene escape from the bustling city and a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. Pack a picnic and take in the stunning scenery as you relax at the summit. 4. The official residence of the British monarch in Scotland, the Palace of Holyroodhouse, is steeped in royal history. Tour the opulent state apartments, learn about Mary, Queen of Scots, and stroll through the ruins of Holyrood Abbey. The palace gardens are a tranquil oasis, offering a chance to unwind amidst beautifully manicured landscapes. Time your visit during special exhibitions for a deeper insight into Scotland's royal heritage. 5. A paradise for curious minds, the National Museum of Scotland houses an impressive collection spanning natural history, art, and technology. Highlights include the Lewis Chessman, Dolly the sheep, and exhibits showcasing Scotland's diverse culture. The museum's rooftop terrace offers stunning views of the city, making it a hidden gem for photography enthusiasts. Best of all, entry is free, making it a perfect stop for budget-conscious travelers. 6. Nestled between Old Town and New Town, Princess Street Gardens is a picturesque green space that provides a peaceful retreat. Admire the floral clock, relax by the Ross Fountain, and enjoy views of Edinburgh Castle. During the festive season, the gardens transform into a magical winter wonderland with ice skating rinks, Christmas markets, and dazzling light displays. It's a favorite spot for both leisure and photography. 7. Step back in time with a visit to Dean Village, a charming and picturesque neighborhood just a short walk from the city center. This former milling village, nestled along the Water of Leith, is a haven of tranquility. Wander its cobbled streets, admire the historic architecture, and enjoy the serene riverside walk. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely afternoon away from the crowds. 8. If you're visiting in August, the Edinburgh Festival Fringe is an unmissable experience. As the world's largest arts festival, it brings performers and artists from across the globe to showcase their talents. From comedy shows and theatrical performances to street acts and live music, the Fringe is a celebration of creativity and culture. Be prepared to be amazed and inspired at every turn. Edinburgh is more than just a city. It's an experience that lingers in your heart long after your visit. With its historic charm, vibrant culture, and welcoming spirit, It's no wonder travelers from all corners of the globe are drawn to this Scottish gem. So pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Edinburgh awaits you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspirations. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy travels!